In an election, candidate A secured 58,625 votes and candidate B secured 34,970 votes. Find by how many votes candidate A won the election.
In this question, number of votes got by candidate A is 58,625 and number of votes got by candidate B is 34,970. Comparing these numbers, the votes got by candidate A is more than the number of votes got by candidate B. So, we have to subtract 34,970 from 58,625. Then we got by how many votes candidate A won the election. So, we have to check.
5 minus 0 is 5 and 2 minus 7 is not possible. So, we borrow from here. It will be 5 and it will be 12. 12 minus 7 is 5 and 5 minus 9 is not possible. So, we have to borrow from here. It will be 7 and it will be 15 and 15 minus 9 is 6 and 7 minus 4 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. So, the answer is 23,655.
Therefore, candidate A won the election by 23,655.
Question number 2. If the sum of two numbers is 1,67,410 and one of the numbers is 90,980, then find the other number.
In this question, sum of two numbers is given and one number is also given. We want to find the second number. So, the sum of two numbers is 1,67,410 and one number is 90,980. So, to find the other number, we have to subtract one number from their sum.
90,980 from 1,67,410. 0 minus 0 is 0 and 1 minus 8 is not possible. So, we borrow from here. It will be 3 and it will be 11. 11 minus 8 is 3 and 3 minus 9 is again not possible. So, we have to borrow from here. Here it is 6 and it will be 13. 13 minus 9 is 4 and 6 minus 0 is 6. 6 minus 9 is not possible. So, here it will be 0 and it will be 16. 16 minus 9 is 7. 0 minus 0 is 0. So, our answer is 76,430. So, the second number is 76,430.
Question number 3. A car manufacturing company produced 8,75,134 cars during a month and sold 7,89,052 cars. Find the number of cars left unsold.
In this question, number of cars produced during a month is 8,75,134 and the number of cars sold in that month is 7,89,052. So, we have to find number of cars left unsold. So, how can we do that? We have to subtract the number of sold cars from the number of cars produced.
We have to subtract 4 minus 2. This 2. 3 minus 5 is not possible. So, we have to borrow from here. It will be 0 and it will be 30.
Question number 4. The odometer readings in two passenger cars are 75,862 km and 62,994 km. Find the difference in the readings.
In this question, the odometer readings in two passenger cars are given. We have to find the difference in their readings. So, first we have to write the step. Reading in a car, that is 75,862 km. Reading in other car, it is 62,994 km. So, to find the difference in their readings, we have to subtract the smallest from the greatest.
We have to subtract this. 2 minus 4. It is not possible. So we borrow from here. It will be 5 tens and it will be 12 ones. 12 minus 4 is 8. And 5 minus 9 is not possible. So we borrow from here. It will be 7 hundreds and it will be 15 tens. 15 minus 9 is 6. And 7 minus 9 is again not possible. So we borrow